Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming my March Simply Earth unboxing. I got my Simply Earth box in the mail, and basically what Simply Earth is it is a monthly subscription box that you can order that comes with recipes, like essential oil recipes. It comes with 4 oils, and it comes with like different products to go along with the oils to make different recipes. So it's a really amazing program and I love it, and I'm really excited because I am an ambassador for their program now. So if you are interested in getting $45 off your first subscription box, visit my link. It'll be in the description box down below, and my code is right here, and I will be really happy if you did. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna open up the box now. This is what it looks like when it comes. It just says Simply Earth monthly recipe box, and yeah, let's see. Oh my goodness, right here. Okay, when you open up the box, it looks like this. It's very nicely packaged in my opinion, and you get 4 oils like I said, and this month the theme of the oil box is skin support. So we have all the skin support oils, everything for skin. Let's just get started. The first oil is actually a 5 ml because I'm thinking it's a more expensive oil, but this is coriander. And I have never ever tried coriander. I've never used it for anything. Like, I've never even tried this oil, and I'm really excited to try it. So let's smell it because I want to know what it smells like, honestly. Oh my gosh, that smells good. It smells like a citrus oil, honestly. And it says the aroma is sweet and herbal. The plant part is the fruit, and origin is Russia. On the back of the bottle gives like all these really cool like details about where the oil was from and like what's it like rooted from, and like the smell of it before you even smell it. It's amazing. The second oil is a 15 ml, and this is lemon eucalyptus. This is like a blend. It smells so good. I think I've heard this one smells like the cleaning solution that has like the bald guy on it. Mr. Clean, I think. Oh yeah, that's definitely really potent. So this is really good too, and it says the aroma is balsamic and citrus sweet, and I think I can get a little bit of a whiff of both of those. Yeah, I smell like the balsam, and then I also smell the citrus at the same time. It's really cool how when you smell essential oils, you can smell all parts of it at once, and it's really cool how you can like pick out like what you're smelling super easily. That's why I love essential oils. The next one is just a very basic one. I already have some of this, but it's tea tree, and tea tree is really good for blemishes and acne prone skin, and this is just a very woodsy scent. It says it says aroma is medicinal and woodsy. So I was right. But let me see. Yeah, it smells really good. Can you smell that? No, I'm just playing. So this is from Australia, and I'm really excited for all these oils. And then the next one, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. It's Beauty Within. This is one of their blends, and this has frankincense. That's really good for skin. Lavender, rosemary, and myrrh. These are all really good skin supporting oils, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be making a lot more essential oil videos regarding like skin support and different things. I'm going to be like comparing different brands and all this crazy stuff. So and then I'm going to smell this real quick. That smells really good. It smells like more so lavender than anything, and it says that helps maintain your beauty with this youthful oil. So now we're going to get into the products that comes with it. The first one comes with rose kaolin clay right here. This comes to make soaps, face masks, and other DIY skincare recipes. And we also get a face wash powder. All these ingredients are going to go along with the like recipes that come with it. And then we got some witch hazel. This is really good for any blend, anything that you're going to make for your skin. It's a really necessary product. And then we got this little booklet. Don't really know what it is. And then in here we got the stickers to go along with this. So it's like labels for your essential oils. You can make, so we're going to be making a Beautify roll-on. We're also going to be making a Spring Rain essential oil blend. And when you first start with the essential oils with the Simply Earth, you get this like big welcome box, and it comes with like roller bottles and like little 5 ml just empty essential oil bottles. It also comes with like different carrier oils like fractionated coconut oil and fractionated almond oil, and it just comes with a bunch of different things to make your products with the oils that you get in the monthly subscription boxes. That's really exciting, and I'm trying to find the dang recipes. You guys, I've searched for the recipes for this box for over 20 minutes almost, and I cannot seem to find them on the Simply Earth Facebook group. But like, that's a good thing that I was gonna say was, if you sign up with a subscription box, you get access to the Facebook group that provides a ton of other recipes and shows what was in previous boxes and all the things that you are apt to get. So, but seeing these like labels right here, I know we're gonna make a Beautify roll-on, a Spring Rain essential oil blend. We're gonna be making a pore clarifying face mask, a Beauty Within toner, and a gentle face cleanser. So there's a lot of things that you can make with these 4 oils in one box. So it's very beneficial. The box is super inexpensive in my opinion. It's very good. You get a good bang for your buck, and I'm really excited. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.